There's nothing more refreshing than to your mind than a few moments of peace and quiet. I'm feeling much fresher already.
Fire! Fire! Run for your lives!
Fire! We gotta do something.
It's not a real fire. Just cool your heels. Cool your heels.
Humphrey, I want you to listen, and you listen to me good.
Okay. All ears.
Listen. People could get hurt. You never yell fire unless there's really a fire.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mouse. I won't yell fire like that ever again unless, of course, there is a fire.
Good. Now, leave me alone.
What you doing out here anyway, Mouse?
Just trying to relax, Humphrey.
It sure is a lovely day for doing that, Mouse.
Yeah, it is, Humphrey. It is. Okay. Just let me mix.
Okay.
Danger! 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 Hit the cover!
No, I'm sorry. I was just practicing again. Step up. Step back. Move it.
Wait. What's going on here? Look!
Listen, I'm just practicing there.
What are you practicing for? What in the world are you up to, Humphrey?
I'm practicing for my new job as a Hazards and Safety Officer.
And exactly how are all your pranks going to help you be a good safety officer?
Those weren't pranks, no. Those were warnings, and I'm practicing warning people so that they'll be safe.
Well, why don't you go practice somewhere else?
Oh, but Niles, you're a good helper because you freaked out and made those faces and those strange gasping noises and everything.
I'm safe enough.
Oh, sure you are. That's what they all say. Even when the mighty Pharaoh thought that he was safe when Moses kept warning him about the plagues. But in the end, boom!
Ah! Humphrey!
Suit yourself, Nose.
I'm not listening to you.
But, okay. Go ahead, B. Make my day. Buzz up, B. Gotcha, B.
Nose! I already told you to practice your warning someplace else, Humphrey. But Nose! Humphrey! Nose! Run for your life! That was your best warning. I almost fell for it. I'm not going to be tricked again, Humphrey. Humphrey, quit that. That tickles. Cut it out, Humphrey. Hey, quit poking. That hurts. Humphrey.